Hi there, second time lucky. This is a remake of a very short video that I put out yesterday, and for some strange reason iMovie messed it up. You had the beginning bit, you had the end bit and no middle. Very, very strange. Anyhow, the subject of the video was, are you using your pens properly? And the ones I'm talking about are the Sakura Glaze and the Souffle ones, because I've had pens of this type for years and was never overly fussed about them because I didn't see much of a glaze and I didn't see much of a souffle action. Okay, I've been using them wrong. Now, the reason I've been using them wrong is because I bought these pens individually at the time. I did not buy them in a whole packet and had no instructions at all. I didn't think you needed any for a pen. Right, okay, let's get that out of the way. This is what I'm talking about. Now, I was using those pens on paper and card and whatever, and it really doesn't do them justice at all. Yes, you can use them on that, but it's not going to be giving you the result that perhaps you think you should be getting. The reason is these pens are designed for non-porous surfaces. Ah, yes. So this is what, ignore the bright yellow colour underneath, I put some alcohol marker behind it. After I'd made the video I was playing. These glaze pens give a transparent glaze finish on solid surfaces. And the souffle ones give you a completely opaque look. The transparent pink that you can see behind there is actually alcohol marker, which I've done on the back in the same way as I did the yellow behind that one. It does give a very interesting effect if you want a stained glass look, for example. You could get some very, very nice looks. And as you can see, even though I've used very pale colours, these show up very nicely indeed because of the opacity. If you're going to use these colours on anything like acetate, I would suggest you use the glaze colours which are stronger, so the brightest, the deepest colours, because the lighter ones aren't going to show very much. So that was it. It's just a very simple thing which has made me almost discard this type of pen for years, and now I know better. Take care now. Bye bye.